This one's for good.
Okay.
For
Go with
good.
your shoulder like slightly behind her shoulder. And baritone, you get to come in the middle because you've got the
Next
you got the
up.
second shoulder, right? I do. Yes. Okay, then you get in the middle.
Where's my hair?
Yes.
A little bit here. Okay. Good. Excellent.
Okay.
In this life we say, those that help us grow. I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, to my love is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a hand turns on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by a wind off the sea, like a sea drop by a sky bird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a wind off the sea, like a stream that meets like a sea drop by a bird in the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better, because I knew you, Thank you.